Today, we're replacing the original double door system of this house with a new configuration to upgrade the curb appeal and energy efficiency. The new custom entry door system arrives on site, built right here in Manitoba by High-Tech Energy Windows and Doors. The existing doors and frame are carefully removed, creating a clean opening for the new unit. Every part is taken out, brick mold, slabs, sill, and frame, to prepare for a perfect fit. Next, the new sidelite-door-sidelite configuration is unwrapped and carried in. Custom painted, precision built, and fitted with decorative glass lights and black caming, this door was made to fit this exact space. Our team installs the new fiberglass entry door system with professional care, including upgraded locking hardware and interior trim. The result? A flawless fit, energy efficiency, and custom style that welcomes you home. Installed by High-Tech Energy Windows and Doors, trusted across Manitoba for over 40 years.